Play. Now God with the wear now stomach tight. Yo. Eh? Eh? Yes, so call other people come, man. That they inform Melissa, they not inform me. That they got price 2 million, 1 million. 1 million is too small now. Good evening, oh. Share the video. Let me go to Melissa kwa. I want to show na Melissa. Na the price. Oh yeah, kakaka. Everything. Anyway, I want to not gossip again. Oh yeah. Eh? Oh, yeah. No sure. Man, not sure, Melissa. Why? Why you go talking? When Melissa they bully my people? Yo. Eh. Make them pay. Thank you. Make them pay me. Picture day here now. That me. Hey, picture Magwalo. We are looking for picture. Hey, oh, yeah. Hey. Ew. Eh? Eh? Oh, now Melissa children can't find pass. The boy and the senior guy and the senior boy. Yeah, so. Hey. Yeah. And what's no? Yeah. Eh. Agmama reo eh. Agmama reo eh. Is that your phone? Or is it yours or for mom?
Mommy.
Who's that?
She said, where are you guys? I said, we're coming.
Say we'll come back.
No.
In 1975, a man took a stand to help more people become successful investors. So he started a company. Recognize.
Esunu. 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 Good evening, darling. Esunu. And as we are doing this program, you will see the right congratulations to me because my social media is now like this. It don't hide well. My social media, you know, people not too many where they watch am. But I'm not a high position, high rate. Tell me congratulations because everybody is talking on live video. Their own never high. But today my own rate is very expensive. It's well recognized in global, worldwide, in Ishaland, in Benin, in Ora, in Auchi. My social media today, yes, they have given me a lot of, hey, you congratulate me. If no, man, then she. Congratulate. If you are from Ewokimi, tell me congratulations because this is your sister. You are looking like this. People are insulting. I'm going somewhere. Which that somewhere I want to reach. I reach it today. Yes. Oh, that making. Hey. Before you say the cough, before you dey waka, me don't reach there. Right, congratulations. If you are a dog girl that love me, right, congratulations, God send family. Right, congratulations to me because this is your mama, only mama that recognize the whole world wide. Yeah, because I never want to celebrate. I'm waiting for the mugas. Yes, of course, man. When I get mama like me that talk, everywhere will hear me. Let's go there. If you want to join the good thing when I dey chop, come and join me. Come and join me. Oh yeah. Aya, 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 aya. My own, I know they go interview, I know they go. Where I sit down, put oro kwa. Oro. If yes, and I not go picking, I don't know picking one I get. And I not get picking, no picking one I get yet. Mama saying, help. Oga solution. Your native doctor do make you start them, because if you not start them for abroad, I go vex. Because your medicine they work well. Yes. Remember, Bakara. Maya. Ama mi ma no invite Melissa me take the picture ekwa. Are you okay? My grandchildren come greet me with hand. He say no, he say no grandma. I don't want to show myself on social media. Oh blah where I'm here. Oh you blah. I'm on the side. Oh you kai. Esunu. Eze yamo yanima. Esunu. Enyi le bayiko. Esunu. Ogwaje mani biesa. Oye mani biedo. Eze yamu fori. Iye. Eze yamu for election no. Ibiesanwo, ibiedo mebege ene. In Opiando Mado, like a cross river state. Eriana, why Papa Meo? Yakala, is a Yamugato that let me magic. Is you people ready? Is a Yamugato that let you. Hey, Essunu. 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 August and family. Congratulations to me, man. All my Asian people, Ora people. Congratulations to me, man. Essunu. August and family, make sure that you vote for Eze Yami because we want to be moving to the next level. Every project we have with Gossen family, we want everything to become real in Edo State. Hospital, yes. Every of our plan, I want it to become real. And the government, Eze Yami, we're ready to work with you. Okay? Yeah. So, Melissa Picture is with me. Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to go, man.
Belief.
Yeah, come over there. Over there. Oh. He hungry me to dance, but more than worry. Eh? No, your music. Maybe after that they'll come use and stop my music. Come on, girl. Oh. I don't want. Hey! Eze Yamu, go for that. Alright. Melissa, oh. The Melissa na yevenya he. Melissa. Na Melissa pikina de kiso. Hey, ya ligi oh. So this Melissa with your husband. Ole Melissa. Melissa with the husband. The Melissa children. Yeah, who want to narrate me now? Narrate me well. Because the Melissa picture is with me now. If you want to narrate me. But instead of you to be narrating me, what do you supposed to do? Supposed to give me the 2 million. Let me show you. Why are you jealous? I did social media not get you. After I drop out, get 10 million. Obaseki is doing anyone you like, right? So far not be insult. My platform, listen. You see my platform? You can write whatever you want to write, but not insult this side or this side. This is election for you. People that don't know how to play politics, yeah, they are the ones that insulting Oshomole, Obaseki, Eze Yamu, Uniera, all those ones. They are not a politician. They just collected money and making noise. They don't know how to play politics, right? Politics is a bad. You talk anything you know that your own president, which is called Obaseki, have done in Esan land in Benin. Show me, not Ring Road though. That Ring Road because it's the handwork of Oshomole. We don't want anything that Oshomole have done and live in Benin. They'll come and show us it's Obaseki. They are not giving the glory of Oshomole to Obaseki. No. Tell us what Obaseki have done. 4 + 4. No. 1 + 3 Ogba. I'm Melissa picture now still wait for. That's what I'm preaching. No. I'm not here for election anyway. Yes. For the time to the goal. I'm waiting for someone to say I put 2 million inside your account. Let me send out Melissa picture. Don't yakbewa, but don't know yakbewa. And they tell you around the year. They hear me. They hear me. Some people say that they see the picture just now and delete that video. Because I don't want the video to go for free. No, free, no. Free, no. Whether Obaseki na Ojo, no J, or you wait, they say Obaseki na Ojo, wait till Obaseki don't do for your please. Drop your hand, man. If you know what Obaseki have done in your own village, show me. Bring her as a mama, boy. The company, the Fabrica. You know what is Fabrica? Company where we work. If you know Obaseki have done that in your own state, yes, sir. Ora, ouchie. Show me. This will not be church by church. So Suleiman, if you collect money for this one, him will buck boy. Because I hear say you go pay 1 million for somebody for social media person. Since I be going Suleiman church, be preaching the support, and never want to give me 1 million. Make it name not spoil. He can't go pay 1 million. She kurubale. She. Since I dey go Suleiman church, you never tell me you take. They go bribe idiot people when not good. Let's go there. All right. So, when I don't want give me 2 million. London women, oh dear, they need money. Oh yeah, play. May I dey wait for them. London women. Una know what? Una go cook. Who be this? Oh, Ibe hold on. Obi Even I can want to put for her. I want her. Hey, now like this one. They know if you just stand like that. No, they know if I don't feel delete one, not delete this. Because you hear me? Eyeglass no go fit just show them all now. They feel me. Okay, I don't come on my eyeglass, man. I don't come out one. I don't come on my eyeglass. If I don't see your comment, no verse. Huh? No, let me wear my eyeglass. Who be there? Who the bar? Even Melissa tell me say, Melissa be tell me say, I put on for my wall. I say no. They hear me? He say make I gbolo. He give me that opportunity to gbolo for Facebook. I say no. We have to keep it in private. He said, me I but I say no. He say, Mama resemble the fear. No, I say no. He say, I resemble the shake. I say no. He say, my mama, pardon, would make they go cash Oduma for us. But what did they want cash Oduma for? Where you don't have work. Yeah, Laretian. You won't say I not get work. By manner. I beg. Come out. I don't want to block you. I just to delete you. You say I not get work. You won't where? You the stress? Okay, now my love. Say I not get work. Who tells I not get work? I not get work today. Yesterday. Today I get work. Yes, sir. Yeah, let me see one. They say that they see the picture for you. Man, how many I can't get? The picture. Now get on. Picture. He said, Mama, they have a Facebook. They don't narrate you. Now you make and give me to show you. Since when you guys know me, anybody that do live video back, I may know them, but I'm not their problem because they don't want people to see them because they are important people. That's why I don't show them. They can talk on camera because it's against, you are right to talk on about camera. I'm not the type that, but the owner who needs Melissa picture, right? If he give me the 2 million, I'm going to put the picture for him work, not be work for him boss. May go kill Melissa. No say na their work now. Their hard work. Kill her. It resembles the fee. Ado Babu Mere. Yes, so if you see, una see now say like this person now. I'm not attacking. Say, Obaseki, the Benin people love you too much. Together, we're together. 4 + 4 = 8. I dey like all those kind of things. But don't come my platform say you want to insult me. All this kind of thing is good. You can preach, you can write, fine. Right? You can read. Say you can create because you are not normal for the game. You never know how to play politics. That's why you go to people platform and saying something. No, that one now they bring Now na take bring Obaseki dance so. Oh, go and bring you. Now na take bring Obaseki dance so when we dey so. Yeah, Obaseki now na take bring her dance so. So we that know how to do politics matter when he reach there, we campaign. Campaign how good. If you want to campaign how good Obaseki was when it was 4 years. So let me campaign the way where they take turn this what they call it. Is there Yamo election when they give Obaseki wuru people? Now it makes sometimes not they pay me. Or he must win. We are going. We must win. Oh, we must win. Yes. 3 + 4. We are going. Hey, Melissa, you are here. Welcome to the saga. Melissa, are you where? AKA the bully woman on Facebook. You say, wait, Melissa, because of you there, now let me carry my clothes up. Melissa, you are welcome. Let me play music first. Bama society. Bama say I dey juju society. Ekmero. One love. Hey. Ay gwa yaki na jena. Social media la jana. Yeah. Do ye laga oko Abumare. Are you alright? Oh. Oh, what to man? Yeah. Nudo miedo fare ni madena. Hey, yes, oh mama. Alpha, 2 million. 2 million. 2 million. Do you have it? When Martin may say, you don't mention my name well. Yes, oh, bam. Bam. Mama, help me to tell them. Okay? 2 million. I get the picture.
I greet you, I greet your listeners and your viewers.
Yes.
Yes, so you have to, campaign for the right person.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, politicians, they are all the same.
They are the same.
The same feather. Together.
Yes.
No, I saw your topic. Now, because of your topic, that's a me. Contribute. No, so we will be contributor.
Yes, so everywhere you go, you must contribute. Why? Because everywhere where you go, you must talk. Must you talk?
Facebook is a street market. You must contribute.
Must you turn out to street market? Facebook is an important place where to make a sense. Yes.
What do I want to talk for this topic?
People
when they walk up and down, they find this ambition. They find this ambition. Unu enya yaje.
Bam.
Enya yaje. Uru oni hini kose mane rigita.
Ogaga.
Bo mi ni picture wa hen ya wa ri o abi to ya ri asingo.
Oni metabo.
No ya information of women is not pass e kin me ya ye retire no ya tie. Unless you solo bo why you call you solo bo why you to bo why you boy wa kamurio. Ono e pass information ni kin wa be no go social media on ya ye retire.
Bam.
No need. So the most important thing wa ya learn e na yo no sunu na let's okay can wa learn. E let's okay can that do wa ya fefe ni te tata.
Oh well you lie.
with social media when you do you know your Maria. Do they way jealousy or igbofu?
Mama. Mary mi Melissa Nedia ina digwe ina wela agwo we me digwe. Iman we bawo. Ina even we ate ni me ina ri ejupe ina la wa itai. La mo london we me yote. Me wa mi ya wa be sun ya me picture e. Melissa na be tie me this make it second time no tie me. Ni etoge. Mother fan. Owe mama you beg. Another one dey o. Bole kwekwa. He say I be say aye. Now when they get my picture, he said now when they get my picture, let me kukuma talk.
Mama.
Are they here?
Hello?
Are they here?
Is this when they say that they 5 minutes a picture they go? If there's something they want you to do.
Yeah, Yagbe.
Okay, right now. Because at the end of the day, I never see waiting Melissa don't talk. I never see waiting Melissa don't talk way bad.
The thing when they're supposed to do, Mama.
Because at the end of the day, at the end of the day, Melissa never come out.
Baby.
She never come out, can't use mask when anybody.
No.
Now waiting they do, now the word, the tatafo, the other where the whole, where they blow give the other one friend. Now that one they exposed today. Are you getting it?
Yes.
It's different. It's different. If somebody just carry person matter come and call they talk what the person no do for a body. This one is now so now tell this person.
Put that one inside the fish.
True.
Let me have that one, the code one. Talk, ma, talk.
True. With that social media, when that one carry Mr. JJB matter enter social media. Because Mr. JJB dey London. That one we come talk Mr. JJB matter. That one dey Holland. How she take get information about Mr. JJB? Not be person. I work for no role. I am in no Not be person we dey UK with Mr.
Pick that one.
JJB.
Pick the code.
Carry Mr. JJB information. When they give the one with the person we dey Holland. So this one when they run enter scatter.
I'm almost sleeping.
If you not picture of my TV before, even that time, again.
I'm sleeping.
I come on your page. Well, then we want to tie and make up look at the one on the Medicaid. Then mark one way I make all the one way out. Want to talk with the one with the one you got. Oh, Mama, go the longer. Oh, get away, go the wire high. We want to pray. Oh, get the one to start. You will not present it proper. You will not present it proper. Mana, why if you want to go to my wife, contribute to your every day.
Yes.
So the most everybody with this sense we go say, Melissa, don't do. One we talk. That is it.
Yes.
Okay, I got a picture of Ariani. We are where if you see a picture, you are paying in $1 million. What Ariani only be saying, oh, Sanoria Rodriguez.
Oh, yeah, the better. That's a shoko.
Anybody also a raw very all food okay that dog
oh. Yeah, do I hear that yo?
Finish. But I say when I 10 years here yaku, when I 10 years they say play. Oh, 10 years in here my big one. Yeah, tell them to my bay. And we never need Vagba now, boom.
Kakabo. Mama, Ije, if they no say they not do, why they do for conference call? Ije, ask them whether they not do conference call. Yeah, I make a question. What you there? Conference call.
Information, I manage. Oh, Johnny, I said, they we want to hear every the cocoa.
I say, na me de beg Imere Tamia since
Anybody know my voice is social media 1 year late. No, you know, my you know, better on my own.
Ale, sir.
So what? When I talk, so I saw what? So okay, threatening one field of what? And Melissa picture 10 million, Melissa picture 50 billion, Melissa picture 30 billion for your account.
Foolish people, what are you doing with the... Tell me, what are they doing with the picture? Hey, point of correction. No call UK women Ashawo Agoveso. No call UK women Ashawo. I'm going to be angry. Don't write that. Why be say this is logman? Why is it that you full of... I think they do program today. Say Benin people na Ashawo. Don't do that again. No. If you say Benin people na Ashawo, you had me join Ambo. I'm from Benin. My platform is not for Ashawo. Okay? A commenter here guy Orion Wania. A commenter wa be si on do kwele. Oh God. All my commenters, all my viewers, I want you to follow me for Eze Iyamu. 1 + 3 = 4.
At the end of the day, all the revelation on Lajia we can Melissa, you work about the cross check, okay? And you have a no part or say no pattern in Holland. Oh, the way hell, get it me now. On one of the information.
Hey, Mama, oh, we tell me, Pama, we, Dare, Mama. Here we conference. Well, here we conference. Here na no way. And then ogele sunu be Melissa ya ho he. E tell you when my women no de away. When my run away. Be Melissa ya ho he. Oni ene ne mi no rona. Uzebu enigba. Uzebu unigba.
Mama, we too much babe. We go see when you are star. I started to work. Tell me congratulations, ma.
Today, my social media is they don't all those big people, no. All those big men, not the lady go nyagma. Yeah, what calling me where your media is by sponsor up. Oh. Ah, Egbe. Kori Toto, Igo Are, you have a share second with you. Since me now, I don't move. Eh? Melissa when it bole. Melissa table mama. Melissa table where you tell when it bole your Facebook na wa. Yeah, why ya kidweki.
Mama. Melissa you say ye matter na. Ye yire ni guitar e matter no say ma bone. Mana can be judge, Mr. Judge.
Yes. Bam. Ijo abole. E record ya alele. Ma bole we no bulusan.
Case is cancelled. Melissa, you don't have to say this picture anymore. Mana here you tie. We no here.
Oh, you mean Melissa where? Oh, what my gba, you get one when you want release before you go hear my word. I say I beg. Melissa, you hear her? Here where the boyji. Oh, now we have a picture where one of those is Facebook. The megale since all work women and let me compare. It's called comparison.
Nobody is begging anybody. I go social media magazine. I hear the law.
Awa. Ijo. Ijo, Maggie winner. A presenter my Melissa, want they just dress and bath. Don't enter social media. Gbole yakwa gbole kwafune. Gbole po. Melissa, and because you too sweet. Melissa, when I see too sweet. Melissa ilehenia. Ladia. When you gbole kwa. Gbole. Abeni gbole ya. Who they say useless?
So if in your own time, if you want to hang your picture while I so I know now so you nyash the big now so you like making the when you are long here with on it.
Oh my God, we are me a year old that 16. Here year old that 16. Hell, you to take me a picture on your guy, papa. Hey,
talk whatever they want to talk and analyze their own thing. That is up to them. So for me, I stand in the path of peace. I should want everybody to be, just live in peace.
Let me give message. Osamu, Abina Osamu. You never hear my word say this my platform is not for insult. Yes. Don't insult foolish people. Now if you write another one, get block you.
Mama, if you see such comment, don't even acknowledge it. Whether you just block the person or don't even acknowledge where we not take your time and read the comment out. Don't acknowledge the comment. No one to
yes.
Just block the person. I go very instead you're not giving that person that attention.
Okay, that's right. Okay.
Don't read the comment out.
Okay. That's another one. Another advice. Okay. What's the money phone in you, man? Mama?
So I know. So why let people
I'll make sense.
Why I cannot buy we not buy no buy social media. You know? So politician want me picture wa here wa me
you know, that one the rain now. Hey, Tavid, you want your rain now.
Mama, the picture was released, you pay me 2 million. He said, so, your home you pay me cash. You even got a check.
Apoto pata 2 million. Oh, Jimmy.
So at the end of the day, the only cat I see, you know, soon not taking Wayaya land. I'm not taking well we're being another Mrs. Nini, social media. Not banning here.
Oh my God. This one reach the let the change. Now maybe mama went not the bad before I come social media.
I know what else you knew with it. Oh, see my work, maybe my rest but maybe my way my winning. Oh, the woman you know, we don't do where my back, who can maybe when you want that for winning it. So we not took my matter to those guys that when you are rubbish in social media. I think if I know what do I go and they go where they find the best picture. Oh, my dear, you can't do anything with it now. You can't. So the most important why if you were here, why change? Would anybody know or me? Okay.
Oh, Baki.
Yes, okay, that's just it. They just have to learn from this. Already we were
20 million up.
When the legend was you my donate is here. Why you picture Melissa, you cannot do anything with it. So why so why stop? Stop. Do you feel where only when I say no, Papa, don't you only want a talk, maybe 10 minutes, no ball on it. I'm very ready to listen. Do if you walk a way, see me, I love me, my do, me TV,
no way, yeah.
No, Mamma, Mamma, what I said, the honorable.
Yes.
Yes. Anybody will say make your lights no shine for this social media. Now thunder.
Fire! 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 All right. Bye. So this they're not the hear words. This my platform is not for insult. Are you not getting it? We are trying to make people to be peace, not pieces. You continue. The list of picture. He did with me. Any picture one another person bring without not be your pack and a counterfeit. How many people get that one for it? Any picture another person bolekwa. Because in a una nomina, they don't the zolo now. They are doing zolo. Now that thing make me the beat lolo that time. Una know na. This azolo, when they go zolo, they make me the beat lolo. We say lolo can't enter one chance. Now the same thing, they want the zolo. See, by the time we was no, we don't know whether you be higher killer or because according to some people say you get gang of higher killer. Oh Jesus Christ. Why? Is that a good name? Is that a good name? No. We better hold good name on social media than we hold bad nigga. You know? Even though we dey una know for this social media, where are they beat lolo because of people picture where they bring hegba. Now the same thing I want put on eye. I dey find the picture. I don't see am nigbole kwa bole. I don't see mama. I don't see papa. Nigbole kwa. I don't see brother. I don't see sister. Nigbole kwa. Now so I want to put peace for the social media. So now the peace una dey find so. London women. Now the peace una want be pretend say that thing when Melissa talk una not talk. Una talk. I think one of una still go call dey beg make it not dey for social media. And lie. Lie go I no want me my name dey social media. I beg go my name. Again ibaru onu guy. Una see me, seal your mouth. Like, zip it. Zip your mouth. You know why they know they tell me their secret? Me. Because they know I will never do that for them. And I will never give them that chance. Instead of me to give you chance to be gossiping your mates when you are in go party, na. When you are in eat, na. I will tell you a bad person. Subscribe to Mama B YouTube channel because Melissa is about to show in my YouTube channel. No, now. But the day where I will write and say, come and see me and Melissa on YouTube channel, you know that my YouTube channel, Melissa will be out from there. If you want to go take the picture, they go take her. Yes. And inside the video, I'll make sure say the YouTube I want offer. I'll come play Melissa picture. You understand? Oh yes. No, this one is saying, I have the picture. I have the husband, his children, Melissa himself, his beautiful the children too fine. But I never see a dog woman when they say born children not fine anyway. We the adults, we the born children when fine. But suppose as we dey make we the adults they proud of ourselves. Instead of beating ourselves. Are you from Ogun State? No. Like Yoruba people, some come for Akure, some come for Ogun State, some come for now they quarrel for Facebook, Yoruba people. But you now not come for somewhere, all of na around about now na come from. Una they beat una self. Una say some people enter as Esan like me now. Oh, let me be Ishan. I can't enter my ass. I can't they look una like this. Now so it will stop. Now so it will stop. Now so it will stop. It not stop. But me, I can't really think say now me be the problem of Benin people. Me really, it get where my name come the rain. I can't say I be Megeleno. You sure now me be the problem? Let me pause. But when I pause, new come outside. And I think where let me where you know what to let down. You know okay. Monsieur ni aye yin egbe. Bon na tie ni age no pe yo zagian wa. Are you getting it? Are you understand? Thank God say who be this way I be divert my comments. That's the new system now. Thank God for this person who know how to divert. You know that's called dimension and diversion. Yes. Thank God my Facebook now is building. Have you ever seen that one? You will do online. Somebody will be helping you to delete your comments. Have you seen that? Even on YouTube, people will be there. That's why I'm a great woman. Who they did me, I don't know that just they see and people are diverting they are diverting it. San. Can you get here? Oh God, I'm a superstar, man. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. And you get me? That the families are picture. Go for Nasia, I said 2 million now. London. Instead of you to support that 2 million to another person, come and give me. You dey find, I will give you the picture. I will provide everything for you. Okay? You alright? The picture is here. It's here in this phone. This called Organoga. Melissa picture is here, okay? If you want to catch Melissa, alright? You catch Melissa with AKA. They say na my eyeglass they take now. Where Mudia. They say na my eyeglass they take now. Eyeglass. AKA if you want to see Melissa, AKA the picture is here, okay? So unless you beat me Tiffan for road, you see Melissa. And even though you beat me Tiffan, no, you don't know who sent her for me. You know who be who there. But picture plenty here. Alright? So well. More lessons still they come. Una when they not do a beg. I see they beg una. More na as Melissa don't keep quiet. Now more na leave her. More na leave her make keep quiet because more still they come according to Melissa. Say, Mama, you they beg me. More let me just to wear everything. Make they bring my picture. Now me they say no, my name to the day inside. I don't like her. Because me not they the one when you I not support you. I know they say come do one. Because I get my own big platform, man. Not be by 1,000 after you finish. Oh, yes. You people should stop. London women, stop. Una no say una talk, una they go beg for back. Am I lying? Because if una call them, they come you. Yeah, I don't put that yet. I called it the way they do before. Mama say and they beg. I think they say na lie that they beg. Look at. Is that not a shame? Is that not a shame? Una no let my name come outside. Do my name no. I don't want to hear my name for social media. La wo be man. Okay, but where you tie? He explain himself. Eriata man. Imagine no blah. I know ever tag they know where you tani. Okay no. Ever tag. What's when that ni managui no. We be on na gba agui. Uya mo re ba. Emi no ma wo we. Wa kerivo Emma. It is not good. It is not good. Make you not do am again. If no, Melissa will continue bullying you people. Una not do anything. Picture fall out, picture not fall out. Because Melissa be saying me I put the picture for my platform. I don't want it. I want Melissa to remain secret. Like the rest audio women when I know. Because they say I know them, and they say, whoever I can bring their picture. This time I don't want to cost me. they curse. That curse, you know say I dey talk the truth. You dey curse me. God fire you. Thunder of God, dey with you. Thunder of God, dey your family house. Thunder of God, punish them. Holy Ghost, fire. You know say I dey say the truth. You can't say, make you move yaga, make you insult me. Holy Ghost, fire, dey your house. Even no marijuana, remove for your house. Support where God will give you, God remove one for your hands. Now that's why I would swear for Nana. Yes. Because I know juju, I don't know juju. Now Almighty God, now I know since I was born. You know how many people won't kill me? They're not fit. You know how many? That's why I have to be using the word of God now to fire them down. Abe Samakwe. London women, when they see me for nas. When I don't ever see me for nas. Ijo. Party where I don't go. Now you call me. You see me for JJ Barry party, Abi. Because I do people they do. All of us. Because not be that one I can't do. I don't know why I will follow my friend. Because why man? Now to the gossip. Who are your phone? They know, they know me. Don't tatatoto come where I did. Because I'm going to deal with you. I will deal with you, I will use that tatatoto to advise you. Madam, stop. It's not nice. Now, me tell you, now I can't London here. 2 people where they wear the same clothes. The other one come on, you won't go buy her. The friend, you all put her for ground. Since that day, I vow to Almighty, if I say, me and all these people where the party, especially the party gang, follow them, my friend. Because they too, they eat their self up. No. They too, they eat their self. Like who they pee mango. I say, see, these people where they wear the same clothes. Nah. Now they don't finish their ladies. They don't finish their self. Me or Pika from Ewokimi. A son woman can't follow them, my friend. Oh, I want. That's what I did. I want buy goods. I go buy. I'll suffer the pay. Now my own. Clothes, I know they buy credit. Cash. My clothes, cash. Lace, I buy the one when my body rich. I know go they buy credit. Say, yari no exactly. Awa. It's what. If I not pay finish, I leave her for the shop. If I finish, I go carry. Now they hear me. You get me? I been a money I won't send. Elders, I know they send money by myself. Sorry to say that. I just call. Hello. Oh yeah, can you send 1,000 pounds to Nigeria for me? How much is it? 1 million. Or how much is it? 500,000. That's it. 9 person they say one. Let them give me 5,000 pounds. 5,000 pounds. Let Melissa picture show. Okay. All right. 2 million plus. Let them give me. Is it not 5,000 pounds? Well, on your one not pay in London. Motor one at the dry now get not be pay small. Now buy a cash. When I go sit down. Motor one at the right, not be credit. When I never chop bill finish cash. Now they find 2 million when I get 1 million I really get Eh? If they did not get this. I bet go see. Hello.
Mama, I'll call you back.
Eh.
You want some money? You person they help you send them.
I dey give person may help me send her.
No, you can register with. You can do it yourself. Oh.
I know, but if black, no, I know, I dey do that one. I can do it myself, but if black market day, you dey hear me? Can you point out me? Can you pick it? If black market day, now they cost pass. You understand? Yes. For black market, the money go high. But the bank rate, if you do it within yourself, they go do it for bank rate. Bank rate is low.
Yeah.
You understand? Because if now 50 pounds now, like today now, 50 pounds yeah, 100 pounds is 500 how did it come? 54,000 for black market.
But the thing is this, that black market, if somebody wants crypto, and you have to check the commission.
The commission £5.
Okay, you have to check the commission.
But I know.
The commission, by the time you compare it, is
I know. Even though you compare the commission, it's, they are still big pass. Yeah, I get them from my app. I they do them. Sometimes maybe if they need the Oriori money.
Oh, okay, all right, that's fine. I just let me draw your attention. All right, man, thanks very much.
All right. So, what to be there? Where, Mama? Okay. I know. Don't worry about that. We know they care again anyway. All right. So, Monarch, be careful, please. Waiting me cover for now since now that they go open. You don't do. Melissa, I bet not mind them, yeah? Not mind them. That they find your picture, not mind them. They won't make come and can't talk the remaining one. Not talk calm, Melissa, I beg. Yeah? Leave them. Let them they mumu. Then they find 1,000. Ask them, Melissa, their car, whether they drive. Yeah? Whether they pay cash. If they get that 1,000, why they not go pay their motor cash? Their cash. Melissa, if they get the money, when they want give person 1 million, why did they buy things here credit? They pay small. If you are a that's what they do if you are a yes. Now me talk. Let there be peace. Let there be peace. Okay? If to say una get sense, how they no bolikiai, how they no togi, how they no yabu, how they yaga, how they suku. Now so now this matter now, it don't rob many women for this London. Many. The one way no one may come as a tough go beg and say, "La where the invention, la okay, where they say they find you say, see me, I beg, not put my name for social media." Those one will just clear. It clear. Una when they want to enter now. Emma Arrow. A-G Oruwe. A-P Oruwe. A-F Oruwe. Well, baby, well, any this name where they call so if you know say your name start, you know. Arrow, your name they say. G, your name they say. T, your name they say. F, your name they say. T, your name they say. Fu, your name they say. Webere. Wagawa network when we are fully equal London. Equal London ne gbe wa your home. They find picture. Aba gbele. E si say mete we do le social media agi. Uwe wa do gwaranjo. Ya kuli ala wa kakabo. I think say you bring peace to us. I was thinking, let me copy from you. Now you are making more Edo to be shame. With a shame, I add myself joiner. Only I don't fall for inside the category. We not be me where we made do we bani. Wait I can't find for them. But thank God for today. Waiting me confine as a social media warrior. I'm a warrior. I'm a social media warrior, right? So I'm not regretting it again. Depends the post I am today. I'm not regretting why I'm on social media, right? But that one is not the way to do. You want to bring peace to Edo land. We are not bringing saga. The saga we have now is too much. Can we just focus and make the saga? This time it's not time for saga. Somebody fire born market, he lose the baby, he lose 7 months pregnant. Because we are he gonna tell me we la poana we go here. The trailer pay finish. O gya say ya fire the market so. No ya to any baby. 7 months pregnant, it's away. Are we happy about that? Is it time for us to quarrel? We are not happy. If not they happy, obviously it's not happy what is going on in Edo land. You not happy. Una not they see una life now. Juju they show for social media. They are proud. Una they proud of it. Una they proud. And so yeah can't call ya te bonoma. And so yes, so your cemetery. And so yeah. You people are happy over that? Are you guys happy? Why can't you support social media lay for them to grow for better thing? Like today now, I was thinking let me close, but they tell me, Mama, you are the best. We are taking you higher to the next level. We are not in school. I'm not taking work in next level. In my normal year school, I'm going higher. Are we really happy about what is going on in Edo State? Are we happy? Me, I'm not happy. If you are happy, you can't be happy. You may be happy, but me, Okpaka, I'm not happy. The way fire is bringing shortage to people, fire burning people. Now money they take buy. We're supposed to be talking about that one today, every day. We preach. Let peace reign in Edo land. Let us pray. If na person they do not because so. Let's cause them. Let me kite. Let me wake me up. No wake mo oban le gboma re oban. No wake mo ebok ebu wake me up. It's good. We pray for them. So ever who, whether if the fire is not mistake, who they make Bini women they cry, let them cry till they die. Who they make all these market women to be sharing tears every day. Not by Eh? Those people that do that, let them sleep. May they not wake up. That's what we're supposed to be praying. Let's pray. Because God hear our prayer, not juju. Before juju go hear your prayer, it don't late. Juju, Juju they close here. Before Juju can hear your prayer, you have to kill goat and fowl. You go hear your prayer. Are you getting me? But the Lord Almighty that created the universe, when you lay down, oh Baba, what is happening in those states? Can you remove the evil? The evil, because they are evil. The people where they do that one, break people's house, break markets, break this, all now because ya born na we APC or ni mena wa ewe korokoro wa etin we wa gogo ma wa wo ge ya. May the Lord forgive you now, Nasin. No, God will punish you now. People when they put chairs for women, for Bini, God will punish you now 10 times. Punish you now. Una generation. Useless political cabal. Now they find people picture. Why they never domu? They phone domu. Why call him? People were not supposed to get stay for social media. When they let them stay in them. Why? All the because una be olofofo. So to una they give award for insult. Take award insults. And the month don't the children. Leave them they cause children. And one thing when they talk, that one oh. When he saw, I say, who not vote for Obaseki, children would die. His brother, they there. His brother with the family, they are there. They not move. Then is there, they move. It's still there. I don't know where I can go. Mona live at the Murphy matter for you. I'm not there for the Murphy matter. Yes, let us start if you want to start. Or if you are not lawa, Juju here. You got this platform, Juju. You go here now, Juju. You go here, Juju. Oh, yeah, go. For where? Oh, dear, she. Oh, dear, she. Akalakutu. Mona take una time. As Melissa don't live una, Mona all respect una self. Because if not, oh, God, so anyway, why you your man? Why team? Why team da ogun Why so anyway, yo. Hey, God go punish you now. if you ever put my name again. And then Melissa, if you bring the picture, it's so beautiful. Not ugly. I was thinking, at the time when they did on that camera, where I go. When I first see Corito, I say, oh, Mama say, even me knock my mama say, me knock my mama say, we don't me, I got Melissa swaggerlicious. It was swagger. Well, if you see Melissa's first daughter, can you imagine? Come see the son journal or blah. Blocker. So if na come carry this one put for social media, means maybe Melissa they cry. Hey, the picture want to come outside. Hey, the picture want to come outside. Peter! Bullshit. Bumbleclaw. Arecusla. Oh yeah. You love my hair? You understand me? You people should stop. Let peace reign. Peace reign. Avec des dents. Avec, hey, now they support them. Their tongue will come long. Avec they when not they wash tongue. Mona mind on herself. Take your time. You see? Take your time. So guys, 4 o'clock. See you. Is it 4 o'clock really? Is it 4 o'clock? Baby. Babe. What? Is that 4 o'clock yet? Is it? No?
It's 7 something.
Oh, not from this one, for your phone.
It's 7:19.
Okay. To 4. Right?
To 8.
To 8?
So it's 7 o'clock.
Yeah?
Yeah, 7 o'clock.
Oh my God. Huh? So the time's gone like this.
You came
So,
at 4. You came 4 o'clock.
yeah? Alright. So guys, let me leave you so that I can tend to my baby girl, my children. Okay? See you. Bye. I love you all. Be careful. Put peace. Oh, Mama B, you don't pass.
Mommy.
Okay, baby. No, now my sister is there here. I say baby, yeah, baby's here, baby. My baby small girl. So guys, respect. Vote for Iyamu. Tell your mama, make you arrange the paper. Eze Iyamu say go. Ishan people, are you ready? Yes, lady. You and let's speak. So, yo, Melissa, I beg. Make you pause. Yeah, see me, I beg you, pause. Not mind that they are just provoking you. Because they don't say they are matter if you put them for river. River, a lot of people igbayan. I think, see, nah, daddy. No, not be daddy, my pikin dey. He don't want to show himself. If he go say no, he don't like camera. I will show you, he don't like camera. My grand pikin, he don't like camera there. He don't like camera for sure. Alright. So I dey call her baby, no go even answer the baby. Let's mention your name. Alright. Anybody wey like on the way, we are ready. We are ready to vote. Much love. Yes, darling. Okay, see you guys. I love you. So if you got Melissa and a picture of Bule, if not be my people, where now go see me say I bring Melissa picture, when person go post not be in, I'll tell her say you lie. Because I have it already. Okay? And when you like apricot, who like apricot? Me? Who like apricot? Me? Me? Now me you dey talk. I'm a Ben. I'm a Ben say I've been a Ben here, I've been a way to be on. Now me like apricot. It's very good now. This apricot is using me to young. I dey young every day. You know they see? Which live video presenter when you don't fresh like this? I know they bleach. I don't do anything. I see fresh. Which live video presenter? See, my breast not be to put pillow, not sure. Hey, them. Who's live video sababa way fresh like me like this? Let me boy you. Oh, wait. This one say Melissa Priest disgrace them. No, wa get back here do. Who wa say ren yo? Why say ren yo Emma? If not they do like that, they go opeka. You know to say, you know with Melissa la we only ask anyway. I want the year because now I'm going higher. I don't need anybody to put my name for rubbish. Oh yes. True saga, you get wisdom, you get everything. This woman one of the more saga, use and they preach. Who you want make they vote for. Use your social media to showcase your this thing. Not be you. Not be you. She did too. Okay, darling. Okay. Mama, no, Mama, no. All right, darling. All right. I'm waiting. Obaseki is anybody you like, come on, you can preach. It's not my business. But me, I'm from Eze Iyamu, all right? I'm not for Obaseki. I'm from Eze Iyamu. I need people that will bring awareness to Ishan. I need people that will build the school when the Oshomole don't break. You do a half, you leave one. The government when you enter is supposed to go finish and not do one. So the government that I will support, it will go and do it for me. For working with there. That's what I want. I don't need another one. Okay? If you want to join me in London, come and join me to support Eze Iyamu. One love. Yes, you want to join my leg, come and join me. Okay? Yes. Now, bye. Melissa, are you joining me? Eze Iyamu is a go. You know, say we be the same. Oh. They're not going to narrate me for your matter. You not join my group. Oh. You not join me for the vote for Eze Iyamu campaign. I want to support you. Okay, you support me. Good, my people. APC is a go. APC is a go. APC is a go. Eze Iyamu coming, make we drop. He will make it do great. Eze Iyamu, he will make it do great. Yes. He will make it do great. He will make some people sababa. He will make some people sababa. He will make some people sababa. Eze Iyamu is a go. Now so we see Amu. Oh yes. Where you can vote. Yes, so Eze Iyamu now won't vote for. So it's not for quarrel. You can vote for anybody where you like. But I don't already see him. No, now. Hey. This is hey. Yes, so yes, so vote for Eze Iyamu Omo. Oh yes. If you live in London here, or you come, let's join hands together to know what is sub blah blah. To know what is sub blah blah blah. Are you getting me? Are you ready? APC, here we come. APC is a yamu is a go. No, they pull her for waiting no good do. Anything when I pull her, open my mouth, you know, say you go make a sound. So, oh, Duma, you know, this will not be for insult. Oh. If you insult me, I block you. You the craze. All right. Is the yamu progress? You they call me Oduma. Your mama knows Ogbon boy. Hey! Eh? Vote for APC. Okay, man, I wait to. Before that, they say me they support APC. Is it because our brother don't come on go PDP? Now we don't cross now. PDP. No. APC. Here we come. Eh? Why are they shouting APC before? Because APC, it was good. APC was good. That's why they did. Now the PDP, no. APC progress. Oh, yes. ASA must be great. Whether it's a Yamuna Bini. Which copy are they come for now? Today is not voting time. It's not election. It's not preaching. I'm coming. I'm a social media warrior. Let me go ahead. Yes. All my group. All my gang. No, I don't have group anyway. All my supporters. Are you ready for APC? Here we go. Oh, yes. Up. Anyone you like, up. APC. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. I'm enjoying myself. Oh. You when you want to kill yourself for election, kill yourself. How much they give you? Just ordinary 1,000. Then you want to kill yourself. We they do our own eat our money or forever and ever. Now we will be APC. APC is forever. Nothing they delete them. Now Angel. Don't worry. Here we go. So see you guys. I love you all. Both the one way they say PDP, APC, we are one. The who they enter not be Bini, who they come out na Bini. And not be say they don't say campaign for who you want to campaign for. Let them see. Yes, 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Yeah. Yes. So see you guys. I love you all. All right.